How to create a menu bar or navigation bar for your Canva website. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you the steps required to create some sort of navigation bar on the top of our screen, just so that we can just click on them, and it's just going to take us to another page and so on. So it's just going to be a very basic navigation bar, and we can just show you how to do it right now. So first, just go ahead and open up your Canva website. I'm just going to be using this one. It's just an example site. I know it doesn't really look great, but yeah. So I'm just going to edit design here. And the first step I would say is going to be having set up some pages that are unique pages. For example, this page one, let's just go ahead and give it the title homepage. The second one, let's just pretend that it is the contact us page. So contact us. And third one, maybe it's just about me. So let's just go ahead and do about me. So basically, just feel free to go ahead, create pages, add elements to them. Just go ahead and design your website as you would. But then what we would want to do is go ahead and grab some text and add it to our header, basically, which is going to be linked to these different pages. So we can just go ahead and grab some text. Let's just give it, let's just do a subheading here, a very basic one, but you can actually choose any type of text. It does not really matter here. So let's just go ahead and make it a little bit smaller so we can fit in the rest of them. You can actually make it diagonal or horizontal. It does not really matter here. And you would want to just go ahead and give it some text. So let's just do home page. And if you want to customize how it's going to look like, you can feel free to do so, like the color and stuff. Let's just leave it as it is. But now the actual important part here is linking it to the actual home page, which is the first one, so it's not really going to do much. But if we move on to the other pages, so let's just go ahead and basically duplicate this. Let's just have it underneath instead of horizontal because there's no space there. Sorry. Let's just do contact us, which should direct them to the contact us page. And let's just do the last one right now, which is the about me. Now, when it comes to customization and how you actually want it to look like, you can feel free to change it however you like. But now to actually make it functional, what you would need to do is just go ahead and click on the actual text, select the text, and click on this little link icon, and you would want to link it to the contact us page. Same goes for the actual home page here, so just go ahead and select that, click on link, and then home page. And in here we can actually go ahead and click on done. And then last one here is going to be the about me, so just go ahead and highlight the text, click on link, and it's just going to do select the about me page. Now, like I said, this is not really going to be the best design. You can just feel free to design it however you like, but it's going to be functional. So I'm just going to show you how it's actually going to function now. So let's just go ahead and preview. And then we can just go ahead and click on about me, and it's going to take us to about me, and contact us, and it's going to take us to the contact us. Now, also, if you actually did follow these steps along, so you actually named them, so homepage, contact us, about me, we can actually get rid of these if you don't like how they look like. And instead, if we publish the website, we can check the include navigation menu. And it's actually going to give us a navigation menu. You just need to make sure you give the pages proper names. And this way we are going to have a website or a Canva website with the navigation menu here. So this is pretty much how to create the menu bar or navigation bar in Canva. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.